welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm in the Madrid because I have to wait for 8 hours for my next boarding to the Iceland. So yes, I decided to go outside from the airport and then just doing the one-day trip. No, not one day, just only 8 hours maximum. So budget trip. So I'm gonna do. I was misunderstanding the Sagrada Familia is in Madrid, but it's actually in Barcelona, so I got wrong. It is very pity that there is no Sagrada Familia in the Madrid. I was stupid. I should search for the, some information about the Madrid, but now I did it. Okay, anyway, so but still in the Madrid there is a lot of places to see and to visit, and I'm gonna show you one of them. By the way, you like football? The soccer? If you're crazy for the football, you mustn't miss this place in the Madrid. Never ever. Behind me is the King's Palace, and in front of this one there is Cathedral. It's very huge one. It's very had a long history, and then like this cathedral, the kings got a wedding ceremony here, so it's very it's worthy and it's historical architecture. Because I've seen a photo on the internet and then there is like flooding the water here. I'm looking for the restaurant for tonight dinner. I have no idea which restaurant is the most delicious and also economic. Nakama? No.